Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find security settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, and now here you'll find settings, click on it, and here as you see you will find security, click on it like this, and that's it. That's how to find security settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.